On this video, we will show you how to use the iPhone Control Center like a pro. We will walk you through each feature and provide tips and tricks to help you to get the most out of your iPhone. Point 1. Accessing the Control Center. The Control Center is accessible by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. After that, you can see the Control Center feature here. The Control Center provides quick access to many essential features. This is the default setting of your Control Center. The first feature is Wi-Fi. You can tap the group of this. You can see on the Wi-Fi, you can quickly turn Wi-Fi on or off and see the network you're connected to. After that, there is the Bluetooth feature. Quickly turn Bluetooth on or off and see the devices you are connected to. It also has an airplane mode. It quickly turn airplane mode on or off to disable all wireless connection. It also has cellular data. You can quickly turn cellular data on or off to conserve battery life or limit data usage. And also like AirDrop receiving off, when you tap on it, you can see three options here like receiving off, contact only, or everyone for 10 minutes. This is the first group of the Control Center. After that, behind it, there is an orientation lock. It quickly locks the screen orientation in portrait or landscape mode. For example, I'm activate it, then we open the application, for example, like WhatsApp, for example. I try to rotate my device. When it's on, it still remain portrait. But when I'm off, then I open again. When I rotate my phone, it will adjust. The screen will be rotated automatically. So you can turn on or turn off orientation lock here. And then we have a focus. We tap on focus. There's a lot of options here like do not disturb mode, or maybe personal, or your own work, gaming mode, driving mode, etc. You can choose from those options here. And then next to the orientation lock is screen mirroring. When you turn off or tap on it, you can quickly mirror your screen to an Apple TV or other AirPlay compatible device. We back again. Next to it is brightness slider. It can adjust the brightness of your display. And next to it is volume. You can adjust the volume control of your device audio output. And above it is a music player. The music player is control music playback from application like Apple Music or Spotify. This is the default feature of your Control Center. Point 3, you can also customizing the Control Center. Did you know that you can customize the Control Center to add or remove feature? Here's how. You can go to setting, and then you tap Control Center. Then you can customize the control. For example, I'm going to add alarm, calculator. Just tap on the plus icon here. And then, for example, flashlight. I'm going to add flashlight. After that, we back again to the Control Center. As we can see, there are three new features here, like we select before, like alarm, calculator, and flashlight. For example, camera. I'm going to add camera, and then, for example, note. Let's check on the top. You can see, right? There are a new feature based on our selection. We also can remove feature by deleting or remove the include control group here. For example, I'm going to remove note. just press the minus button here, then tap on remove. For example, I'm going to remove alarm, tap on the minus here and remove. So we check the control center. The alarm and the note is already deleted from the control center here. Then I'm going to explain about the control feature of the control center here. First is like, for example, accessibility shortcut is quickly access accessibility feature like voiceover, magnifier, and assertive touch. For example, I'm activate it, then we going to the control center. When we tap to the accessibility shortcut, we tap on it, it will show two options. You can also add the menu of accessibility shortcut here by going to the setting and going to accessibility, and then you scroll down until you find the accessibility shortcut. You tap on it, then you can add your preference menu. For example, I'm going at voice control here, and then reduce motion, and then for example color filter here. Okay, I'm at this, right? So we back again to the control center, then tap on accessibility shortcut. Voila, you can see the selected menu already appear on accessibility shortcut. So I'm going to the next feature. We back again to setting, and then we going to the control center here. I'm going explain like, for example, like flashlight. Here is to turn the device LED flash into a flashlight. Also camera. Camera here is for quickly launch the camera application and take a photo or video. And then also calculator, it quickly launch the calculator app. Also we have an alarm here for quickly set an alarm for a specific time. And then also Apple TV remote, like use the control center as a remote control for your Apple TV. And also QR code scanner. You can quickly scan QR codes by activate it. Also dark mode, you can make your phone into the dark mode by put it on the control center, and then you can see like magnifier here. It will be quickly launch the magnifier app to magnify object. You can also like text size, stopwatch, screen recording to quickly start a screen recording. There are a lot of features here, and you can add or remove it as your preference or your needs. By using this control center feature, you can access a wide range of functions and features quickly and easily on your iPhone. It can be saving time and making your iPhone experience more efficient. Point 4, tips and tricks. To adjust the brightness or volume, you can tap and hold the slider and then slide your finger up or down. This is for the brightness. We try on the volume. You can do the same. You can swipe up or down to control or adjust your volume. We back again. To access the music player, you can swipe left on the control center here. You can hold and swipe the control center. To access additional camera features such as portrait mode or slow mode, 3D touch or long, press the camera icon here. You can activate the camera. To turn on the flashlight temporarily, touch or long press the flashlight icon here. Then, as you can see, on the back of your iPhone, the flashlight will turn on. You can turn it off by tap on those icons. To turn on the low power mode, touch or long press the battery icon. Okay, that is for our guide to the iPhone Control Center. With these tips and tricks, you will be able to access the feature you need quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon on the other video. Bye!